So this is called building your second brain in under 20 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build out your second brain with all of your knowledge, YouTube videos, courses, books, all in one place, plus the notes here. So what you're going to get out of this is more confidence, more clarity, and just overall, you're going to be able to take on the world with being able to have one central location for all of your knowledge, all of your notes, all in one central location. And we're going to build it out together in under 20 minutes. So let's get into it. So first thing that you want to do is check out this Airtable where I have all of my knowledge in the human OS and my second brain here. But then what you're going to want to do is build your own. So let's hop into it. Very first thing that you want to do is go to Airtable, hit create in the bottom left. And I usually always start from scratch, and I'm just going to pick the first workspace that I see. And inside of here, we want to start on the data side. So you have data, automations, and interfaces. So data here is where we put in the data and organize it properly. Interfaces turns it into information to make decisions. And automations is what connects it to Slack, to Google Calendar, to basically any other source. So Airtable is really freaking sweet. And then the last thing that we're going to end with is extensions, which I haven't shared in a previous video, but we're going to do it here. One of my favorite extensions is the Airtable web clipper. So stick around for that one, and you're going to be able to add that to any of your Airtable bases. So let's get into it. Very first thing, let's just call this, boom. Let's call it my second brain. Perfect. And then go up to the top as well. And let's put an emoji here. If you put, boom, if you hit Control Command Spacebar, put a brain, you can put an emoji, my second brain. Perfect. And let's go with a purple color this time. I like that. And if you've seen my previous videos, I always start from scratch. So I take these out right here. And I want to add an emoji up here as well. So brain, perfect. And what I'm going to do is put this and call this title. So book title. And then let's go into my human OS and see what categories we have. So I have status. And you're going to be able to just look at this and add this bad boy in. So let's put a star, or I usually do a rocket for status. Boom. And then I'm going to use a single line text, but you're going to use a single select here. I'm just going to paste that in. And done is better than perfect. So let me put that in there now. And the categories that you want are new, review now, notes taken, review later, and not necessary. So then we're going to go into the next category, which will be the link, the notes, and this automation last modified. That one's really cool. So let's go into the link, boom, link URL, perfect, and then write notes, boom, and then let's do modified, last modified. And this is an automation. So we are going to select the last modified time, but do it by specific fields and do it by the notes field right there. So whenever we're updating notes in there, then it will tell us the last time we've created new notes. So that's good data to have. And good data is good communication. So what I'm also going to do is do added date. So in here, we can go down to another automation, created time. I usually take out the time, but you could leave that in. And this will tell us when the record was actually created. So that's really good stuff right there. And then I'm going to take the time and give things a score as well. So how long is this video or this course or this book, that sort of stuff, time. And here are the categories that I have. And remember, you want to use a single select here. But I have under 5 minutes, 5 to 15 minutes, 15 to 30, 30 to 60, 1 hour plus, and then short book, medium book, long book, short course, medium course, long course. And is this just an asset like a Google document or a transcript from ChatGPT, that sort of stuff. So then what we want to do is then put in the type. So I'm going to go up here, put in, let's do a camera, boom, type, and you're going to use the single select again. Remember that, not the single line text. And you're going to copy these categories: book, course, video, audio, article, asset, ChatGPT. Because I love pulling over ChatGPT transcripts over to here. Oh my God, these two things combined with the Airtable web clipper, ChatGPT, and this, it's game over for learning new things. So next thing that you might want to add is the author. Now, this isn't super important. I don't fill it out every single time, but sometimes it's good if I want to search and find all the Alex Hormozi ones that I've put in there. But that is definitely something you can put in as a single line text right there. And then let's go in here. Skill sets is linked to my skill sets in the Human OS. And there is some really cool dashboards for that, because the only distance between where we're at and where we want to go is a matter of building skill sets. Now, for this video, I won't have enough time to actually go in and build out the skill sets board and all of that. But if you want me to create a video on that, let me know. If you want us to download the Human OS into your life, just hit the link down below. So let's grab skill sets and put some in. So you can start using this as a single line text. So trophy, skill sets. And what I want to do is single select actually. So let's say this is marketing, sales, fulfillment, habits, boom. We can put in any skill set that we're building. Bachata is actually one I'm building as I'm living in Mexico here, learning how to do bachata, and I have it in my Human OS, so it's pretty cool. So there we go. Put in the trophy, perfect. And then we're going to go back, and we also want the login for courses. I also have this link to my mentors and all of that good stuff, so that's a possibility as well. So let's go in and put login for the courses. So here, let's put in this courses, course login, perfect. And then we're going to open that up. Cool. Now we have course login. So we probably want to move these things over. Boom, boom, and author might want to put there. Skill set is going to be important, so that would go well there. And let's say this is for marketing. Boom. And then course login, I like to keep at the end just for courses. So now inside of here, let's group this by status right here. So this will be the first view, and we will see the review now. And I want to see the one that's the most recent. So date added, let's put the latest at the top. So let's go into here and put in, call this knowledge. Boom, perfect. And then let's duplicate this and make this just the courses. So video courses. And what I'm going to do here is filter it by type. And these are just going to be my courses all in one place. Boom. And this is more important to have the login up here. So then we got that there. So if I go into, let's say I go into Skool here, and this is one of my communities, the business mastery community, then I can easily put that in there and also share this with a team member. So I'll share with you how to do that. But Business Mastery Academy, boom. and link right there. Skool link, Skool, and email, password. Boom. And then I've got that at all times, and I can put all of my courses in here. Super cool. And let's say I want to review this now. Perfect. And let's say this is more of a marketing skill set or whatever you put in. Plus, this is a longer course right there. And then when I'm going through this course, I can put in notes on this course. La, 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 la. And I could also put a Google Doc in here for longer courses and keep it all saved in one place. So pretty cool. Then the next thing that we might want, duplicate. Let's call this books. Perfect. And then type, I'm going to go here to books. So one of my favorite books is The Alchemist. Boom. Status, let's say I'm reading it right now. And I'm going to show you how to get the Airtable web clipper up. But right here, I'll just go to Audible or wherever you're listening to it. Actually, because I want more of you guys to listen to it. The Alchemist. Oh, beautiful. So here, maybe we can get the whole audio book. Let's say this is the whole audio. Then I would just grab that link. And I know I want to listen to it. This is on mobile as well. So you can pull it up on mobile and just go straight to your books and listen to that. I could take notes in here. I love taking notes on these things on my phone. And let's say we want to add a new skill set. So let's just call this the skill set of life. Boom. And it's written by Paulo Coelho. Coelho. Done is better than perfect. So that was close enough. And this is like a shorter book. There we go. Perfect. So now we're starting to get all of our stuff in here, courses, books, all of that stuff. Maybe I don't want to review or listen to The Alchemist now. I'll move it to review later. Maybe I already took notes on Business Mastery Academy, notes taken. And that's another good category that we want. Duplicate this and then go into, boom, right, notes taken. Perfect. And then here, we probably want to categorize it by the, we want to put in a score as well. So let's go here and grab the score. Boom, perfect. And then put in metal and score. And I just rank things from a scale from 1 to 5. You can put in a different score if you want. So I'm going to put that in there. And Alchemist is definitely a 5. For purposes of just this video, I'll say that one of my Skool communities is a 4. But then we'll group it by score. Boom, perfect. And then I will see the most powerful resources and second brain knowledge at the top here. So cool. We've rocked out a lot of the data in here. The next thing is I want to create version 1 of the interface. So I'll go up here, start building, build interface, and let's just call this my second brain. Perfect. I'm going to put a brain in there. Awesome. And go into blank. I always start from blank. I'm going to add a grid here to get the data. And then I'm going to pull knowledge, boom, right there. So awesome. The coolest thing about the interface side is the filtering function. So I'm going to add a filter here. So if I want to find a specific record, I can put in the status, or I can put in the title, or I can put in find specific notes. Boom. Maybe I just want to look at the things that are score of being a 10. Put in the type. Boom. Score. Boom. All that stuff right there. Now I can filter directly into here. So let me show you that right here. So right here, I can go straight to the things that I want to review now. Things that, boom. Maybe I just want to see my courses. Boom, right there, all of that good stuff right there. So then I want to get some data going up in here. So in here, I'm going to go back, hit edit. We want to turn this data into information actually. So at the top, I'm going to put my second brain. Perfect. Down. And then I'm going to add in some numbers. And how our brain counts is 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what the hell is going on. Most people, in terms of UX experience, especially if they're doing Airtable on their own or any type of UX, they always fuck it up at first and put in too much information when it's just about having core numbers that we want to see at. Four core numbers. And then you get charts and graphs. And remember, not too many, because we want our brain to see it and know exactly what the answer is. So let me do that and put in four core numbers. Maybe we want to put in here, boom, brain, total knowledge. Perfect. And let's make that gray. And then maybe we want to see notes that we've taken this week. Boom. So write notes taken this week. And then I'm going to make it a blue and go into specific records and find the last modified. And this is really cool. And they've added this over the past few months in Airtable, is when you hit within, you can now do within this calendar week or within this calendar month. So I'm going to duplicate that. Perfect. And then this calendar month. Boom. And I'm going to hit this. Perfect. So now we got 3 core numbers at the top, which is pretty good to go for version 1 right here. And what I'm going to do is put in some notes on this. Boom. And you'll see the numbers have changed right there. So when I'm updating notes, this will keep track of all of this stuff. Pretty cool. So next thing that we want to do is expand this record and open it up so we can easily take notes and grab all of this information and put new information in, all of that good stuff. Boom. Just go down here, hit edit for each one of these. Awesome. And then we can get the course login. Perfect. Awesome. So let's call this brain. My second brain. Perfect. And that's pretty good for version 1. Now, what you can do from here is go to my tasks video where I show you how to multiply the tables. And what you can do is add in a table just for courses. Boom. So right here, boom, my courses, boom. And then I'm going to filter it and connect these bad boys and filter it just by type being course. Cool. So now these are my courses and I know that. And I probably want to move the login up here. Perfect. And let's move the score up as well. So then I have the link, I have the login, I have the notes, all of my courses in one spot. So the question is, how do we add things in here? And what's really cool, after we add another interface, we have a cool sidebar where we can go to all our courses, all our books, all of that stuff in one place. So then let's go back to data and set up the Airtable web clipper. So extensions, add extension, boom, and then Airtable web. Let's just call it web clipper. And web clipper, there we go. So web clipper with a space, add that in there. Perfect. And what I'm going to do is say brain, add knowledge. Perfect. Add extension now. Sweet. So what I wanted to do is take the title, and it will take the title of the page, and then it will automatically take the URL as well. So what I might want to add is status, notes, time, type, author, skill set, course login, maybe, and score. So that is perfect. So I'm going to hit done, open extension. I have so many extensions. Yep, there we go. So we got it on our extension, and then we can move it up here. And then what I'm going to do is let's go back to this Alex Hormozi video and go in here, add knowledge, and it will grab the title of the video, the link, status. Let's say I want to review it now. And then I can click this and take notes right here on this video. This is the coolest thing. I can take notes. And what I also do is I transcribe the notes in ChatGPT and create content out of it. It's really freaking cool. And then I want to put in the, how long is it? The type. It's a video. Author, Alex Hormozi. Skill set, say it's marketing. And then I can put the course login if it's a course. Let's say it was a really good video, 5. So I'm going to add it, and it will add it, boom, to the data side right here. You can open this up, look at this, see my notes that I took on it. And then I could also go to interfaces and see, boom, it's in my second brain now. Perfect. Awesome. Right there. So this is how you become really freaking smart and get everything in one spot and build your second brain. It will build up so much confidence. It will build up so much clarity. And how many of us have lost courses in the logins to the things, or coaching programs or masterminds we bought in? I've bought into over $500,000 worth of masterminds, courses, and coaching programs to develop these skills. And I've lost so many links until I created this. So I hope this video was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. The more people reach, the more people we can help. More engagement we get, more people can reach, more people we can help. And go ahead and build your second brain in under, maybe this was 20, 30 minutes here. Awesome.